Because it's not just in the UK we've seen this. We see it in continental Europe, we see it in the United States,
Yeah.
where the labor market seems to be tightening, but the wages don't go up.
Yeah.
You referred to stagflation.
Yeah.
Clearly, these three dissenters are more worried about the inflation part of that than the stag part.
The stag part.
But if you move on the inflation part, what's the risk that you're really going to go further than stagnate the economy?
Well, exactly, and it's really hard to thread that needle in practice. In the last 20 years, for the most part, that's not been an issue. In the bad old days of the 70s, it was pretty common, but you're absolutely right. We are at a point now where, given that unemployment is low, we would expect some more wage increases. Part of the problem is low productivity. Again, I would not read too much into this based upon what we've seen today. Yeah. I do think that Carney can keep the core of his committee together, but it does indicate to me as well, central banks, I think, are nervous, and appropriately so, about their independence. A lot of the interpretation of the Bank of England is that their policy has essentially been hijacked by Brexit, and the external members perhaps tacitly are saying, we'd like to move away from that hijacking and get monetary policy back to where it should be with inflation.